we're celebrating Nutrition Month here at St. Catherine de Novaliches School Incorporated. This is Rio and this is Jesus. And we have Christine. Ate Christine, ano po yung lulutuin niyo? Ang gagawin naman namin ngayon is fruit shake. And we have Nathan Golin Roque. Ano po yung lulutuin niyo?
Mango graham, pancake, and popsicle mango.
Wow!
Good day, everyone! I am Matina Sophie and Sabang.
I'm Jessica May Divina Gracia. We have
Axel Di Bascao.
today, what are you going to go for our Nutrition Month celebration?
So today, we already cooked our banana cake and our mango pie.
Today, we're interviewing grade 6.
Alexa Elandito Say.
So, what are you cooking today, Alexa?
Spam musubi.
Wow.
Salutations, Katarinians. My name is Clyde Crescency, and here we have...
Penelope de Guzman.
Anong lulutuin niyo po for today?
Ang lulutuin po namin ngayon, cake on a cup with mango. Ano is dish natin? Dito po yung teachers, dito po yung judges.